In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an unboxing and quick use of the Yookidoo bath set that I got from Amazon. This is our first time getting a bath toy for our son. Usually we just let him play with random things, but I figured since he's at that age where he needs to be distracted, I decided to get this from Amazon and see how he would like it. As you can see, after I unboxed it, I'm just taking everything out of the box so that I can show you how to stick it in the tub. We're using an infant bath, but it can be easily stuck onto a regular bathtub as well. I just take a little bit of water and stick it on the inside to show you how it would work. I flipped it around so that you can see it a little better, and I also refilled it with a little bit more warmer water, and he's about to get in for the first time, and he's interacting with the toys. I'm letting him get a feel for it. Like I said, he just usually doesn't do much in there, but I'm trying to show him how to use it and all the different things that it can do. It's very interactive, and so far he's having a good time using the bath set. The goal is to keep him distracted so that I can do his hair. As you can see, my toddler has a lot of hair. So one of the reasons we wanted to invest in something for the bath was so that he had something to play with while he did his hair. I will link everything that I'm using in the video in the description box below so that you can also purchase this for your toddler if you're new into getting to the bath toys set for yourself. As you can see, it is moving down a little bit because he's pressing on it, but it's still staying up in his infant bath. As I mentioned before, you can also use this in your regular bath, but we still keep them in an infant bath. But overall, the set is still staying up and he's playing with it, allowing me to do his hair, which is the overall objective.
time to get out, okay?
As you can see, its bath time is over, and of course he is not having it, but that's normal for a toddler his age. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews for toddlers and babies. If you want to subscribe to my email list for more products for toddlers, make sure to click the links in the description box below. Until the next video, take care. Bye.